Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to delete browser history from Microsoft Edge. So first let's open a browser and then click on the three dots on the right side and then select history and click on the delete history or browsing data button. In this you can select any of the option. For demo I'm selecting all time options. It will delete all the browser history and then click clear now button. So it deleted all the browser history from my computer. So next time if you launch a Chrome browser, it should be very fast. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.